Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to pause a listing on Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So now after that you have logged in your account or your Airbnb account, all you need to do now is to switch to the hosting mode, or you can just click on profile and go to manage listing. After that it will take you to the listing view, and then go to menu and choose the listing, and then you will choose the listing that you want to post. So after that you click on the listing, then you will go for listing basics, and here we will find the status of our listing. You will click on edit, or you can just basically click on this status, and then it will take you automatically here, and basically you can pause your listing by unlisted it, and as you can see you can remove from the search result. You can remove your listing from the search results for a set of period time, or you can just pause the booking for your listing, and it can't be find on the search result. After that, after you choose from these options, all you need to do is to click on save, and after that you will have your listing that will be paused successfully, and that's it. So basically those are the steps to pause your listing. Thank you for watching and see you next time.